Clock is ticking and it's always the same. Wake up in the morning to the sound of Coniston rain. But this time it's different, babe, 'cause all around me in the air that I breathe, from the twist your father's nose to the sweet smell of victory, my baby's coming home to me for the return run. Return run. Breaking all the records in the world. Return run. It's Campbell and Bluebird. The finest team we have on board, world-class engineers, the best one can afford. This time I've got you, babe, so listen up, I'll make it clear. All you record breakers, you've gotta do it in 1 year. You ain't beat my record yet. For the return